You know, I always wondered if it's just me that gets insomnia during the changing of the seasons, but anyway, here is a 3 a.m. grow unit build. As we head into this fall and winter season, I'm going to be growing alongside my cannabis some air cleaning plants and some edible indoor grows and some herbs. When it's time for my photo periods to switch into something less than 12 hours, I'm going to need to compensate for the full sun that my mescaline mix or my beans are going to need. And although I have large windows, I've got other plans and other plants for them. Here you can see me putting together the base and the frame. I've actually never had any other brand than Opulent. My first 4x4 was gifted to me by a cultivator friend, and it was Opulent. So when I ventured off and I got more units, of course I went for what didn't steer me wrong, what held me down and lifted the kid up. So the 2-in-1, my first one that I put together, the one that you're looking at, I've had that for a decent amount of time, and the second one that I'm putting together kind of just stayed in the box. Now that I have the space to grow in abundance, I'm doing just that. This video isn't sponsored at all, so you can definitely take my word for it. I went with Opulent again because I actually really love how the zippers are very durable. And I like the 2-in-1 compartment. Now that I have a 2-in-1, it's basically like 4 different compartments. And as we go further along this video, you'll see how I put it up and put it together. It's pretty seamless, but I didn't put up the dividers. It comes with extra tarping, so you can completely enclose both sections into their own zipperways, and that's kind of clutch. I'm just not there yet. I'd like all the light to bounce around on all the little baby seedlings for maximum growth, but there we go. The frame is complete here, and I'm gonna start putting the cover on. I put those inserts to the side, and yeah, the zippers were on either ends, which was weird, and that took me a minute, but it's all good. Everything is still copacetic. You can see how easily the zippers come from one end to the other, and then I was able to get the wraparound zipper from the main compartment open, and then slid that baby right on. will allow me to still access the side compartment of both, so that I can differentiate between food that I'm growing and specialty items that I'm growing. But right now, I think I'm just gonna go take a little nap before the sun comes up. Thanks for watching.